Hi, welcome to another episode of My Brandon TV. I'm Brandon, and today we are working on my truck's AC system. It smells like soured milk. Let's fix that problem today. Lysol disinfectant spray. Start your vehicle and turn the air conditioning system all the way up on high. Make sure both your windows are rolled down. Make sure that it's coming through the center vent console. On to step 2. Pop your hood and get access to the AC vents at the bottom of the windshield. Just get right up on the vents, spray the Lysol directly into it. As the vents are running, the Lysol is getting all into the little spaces that help clean out the smell and the mildew and the mold. Also, be sure to set it to the heat side as well. Repeat the process with the Lysol. The heater running. And this will help. I think that's going to do it. And this has been another episode of My Brandon TV. I'm Brandon. Until next time.